Welcome to our essential guide on knife maintenance. Today, we're tackling the often overlooked serrated knife. A sharp serrated knife is a game changer in any kitchen, making tasks like slicing bread effortless and precise. But over time, even these workhorses can lose their edge, leading to frustration and uneven, torn cuts. Don't worry. Sharpening a serrated knife is simpler than you think, and we'll show you exactly how. We'll be using a ceramic sharpening rod, the perfect tool for restoring each individual tooth's keen edge. First, gather your tools, your serrated knife, and a high-quality ceramic sharpening rod. Safety first. Always handle your knife with care and attention throughout the sharpening process. Notice the unique scalloped edge of a serrated knife. Each tooth needs individual attention. Identify the bevel or angled edge of each tooth. This is where we'll focus our sharpening efforts. Gently insert the rod into the gullet, the concave part of the serration, matching the angle of the bevel. With light pressure, make several strokes, moving the rod from the base of the tooth to its tip. The goal is to remove minimal material, just enough to restore the sharpness of that specific tooth. Repeat this process for every single tooth along the serrated edge. Patience is key here. Ensure you maintain a consistent angle for each tooth to achieve uniform sharpness across the blade. After sharpening each tooth, you might feel a slight burr on the opposite side of the blade. This tiny metal curl is a sign that you've successfully sharpened the tooth. Now we need to remove it. Take a clean cloth or paper towel. This will help us safely wipe away any metal shavings. Carefully wipe the flat, unbeveled side of the knife blade, moving away from the edge. This action removes the burr, leaving a clean, sharp edge. Repeat this along the entire blade. Now for the satisfying part, testing the sharpness of your newly honed serrated knife. A crusty sourdough loaf is the perfect test subject, revealing the true effectiveness of your sharpening. Watch as the blade effortlessly glides through the tough crust without tearing or crushing the bread. The clean, even slices are a testament to a perfectly sharpened serrated edge. It's truly satisfying. No more struggling with dull blades, just smooth, precise cuts every single time. And there you have it. The perfectly sliced bread is presented alongside your sharpened knife. Maintaining your serrated knives not only makes cooking easier, but also extends their lifespan. Regular sharpening ensures your tools are always performing at their best, enhancing your culinary experience. So grab your ceramic rod and give your serrated knives the care they deserve. You'll thank yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful kitchen tips and tutorials.